Okay, problem number 76. Find the surface area of these houses. Let's start with this one here. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. It says ignore floors, by the way, but include the roof. Okay. So if I think about all the surfaces, it's including the roof and ignoring the floors. Okay, so let's see here. I've got a rectangle here, and it says the walls are 8 feet tall. So I got this rectangle here, 18 by 8, right? And there's two of those, front and back. So that would be times 2. That would be those two walls. These walls, this is 8 by 8. So 8 by 8, and there's one on this side and one on the back. That's times 2. Get that number. This triangle right here, I'm going to assume that this 8 foot is the same right here. 8 feet. This is 8 feet. So the triangle is 1/2 base times height. Base 8, height 8. 1/2 times 8 times 8. There are two of these triangles, one here, one on this side. So times 2 would be those. And then finally, this trapezoid right here. Okay, this is 18 because that's what that is. 10. Scroll down just a little bit. Oop, move my calculator. Okay, so area of a trapezoid 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height of 8. And there are two of these trapezoids, one on this side, one on that side. So whatever I get there times 2 would be that. 18 times 8 times 2. Just clear this out here. 18 times 8 times 2. And I'm going to do all these. 8 times 8 times 2. 8 times 8 times 2. 1/2 times 8 times 8. I can do that in my head. 1/2 times 2 is just 1. So 8 times 8, 64. Right? Go ahead and write that one down. 288. 128. 64. All right, now this one. 18 plus 10 is 28. So 1/2 times 28 times 8 times 2. So 0.5 times 28 times 8. And then times 2. We get 224. Add up all those. So we get 288 plus 128 plus 64 plus 224. I think I typed that all in right. Okay. Equals, so the area, surface area of this one is 704. And that was feet, so it'd be feet squared. All right. Let's tackle this one. All right. These are 8 foot tall, it says, up in the directions. So we got two rectangles, 20 by 8. And there's two of those, one on this side, one on the back. This 10 by 8. And there's two of those, one on each side. Okay. This roof here has a rectangle on the top that's 14 by 8. There's just one of those. Okay. We have this front trapezoid. That's 20. Scroll down just a little bit here. See what I'm doing. So the top and the bottom here, we need to keep it 20 and 14. That's the two bases. So 1/2 times 20 plus 14 times the height of 6. And then there's two of those times 2. And then the trapezoids on the right and the left side, 10 by, let's see here, do I have that anywhere? Oh, there it is right there, 8. 10 and 8. Okay, so 1/2 10 plus 8 times the height of it, which is 6, and there are two of those as well. Okay, so there's all the sides that I have to deal with. Front and back, right, left. The very top, front roof, back roof, right roof, left roof. Okay, so 20, let's clear that out. 20 times 8 times 2 times 8 times 2. 320. That was 10 by 8 by 2. That's 160. 10 by 8 by 2. Then we'll do 14 by 8. 14 by 8. And then we've got, okay, 20 plus 14 is 34, so I'm going to do 0.5 times 34 times 6 times 2. That's 204. And then this one here, so we had 320, we had 160, we had 112, we had 204. And then the last one here, 1 half, 10 plus 8 is 18, so 0.5 times 18 times 6 times 2, 108. All right, now we just have to add all these up. So 320 plus 160 plus 112 plus 204 plus 108. 9, get over there. What is that? 904. I got all those numbers right. 904. So this one would be 904 feet squared. Okay. That is problem number 76.